Hello, Dino. Would you like to learn colors with us?
Uh-huh.
Great, then let's start.
Aww.
Red,
Oh.
blue,
Oh.
orange,
Uh-huh.
green,
Woohoo!
yellow,
Uh-huh.
purple,
Uh-huh.
pink.
Huh?
Great! We learned so many colors today. Would you like to sum up?
Uh-huh.
Red, blue, orange, green, yellow, purple, pink. See you soon. Subscribe. Hello, Dino.
Woohoo!
Hello, Mark. Dino, would you like to learn shapes with us?
Oh.
Wonderful! Let's go! Dino, look in front of you. It seems that there is a shape on the way. Can you name it to us?
Uh-huh.
A triangle! Well done, Dino! Let's continue.
Huh?
Oh, there is a new shape on our way. Dino, can you tell us what shape it is?
Uh-huh.
Great, Dino! It's a rectangle. Let's move on to the next. Dino, look! There is another shape on the way. Can you name it to us? You are right! It's a circle! Let's move on. Oh, there is a new shape on the way. Dino, can you name it to us?
Uh-huh.
It's a square. Wonderful.
Oh.
Let's go. And there is a new shape on our way. Dino, what shape is it?
Aw.
Well done, Dino! It's a diamond. Let's move on to the next. Look, there is a shape on the way. Dino, can you name it to us?
Uh-huh.
That's right, Dino. It's a star. Let's go. Here is the last shape. Dino, can you tell us what shape is it?
Oh.
Great, Dino! It's an oval. Well done, Dino! We learned so many shapes today. Would you like to sum up?
Uh-huh.
Let's go. Triangle. Rectangle. Circle. Square. Diamond. Star. Oval. Well done, my friends. See you soon. Subscribe. Hi, Dino. How are you?
Huh?
Dino, would you like to play with balloons and learn colors with us?
Oh.
Let's start then. Let's blow up this balloon. Yellow. Whoa, that was great!
Woohoo!
Let's do it again. Red.
Woohoo!
Green.
Oh.
Blue.
Huh? Woohoo!
Pink.
Oh.
Dino, which balloon would you like to blow up first?
Uh-huh.
Great, let's start. Orange.
Oh.
Purple.
Woohoo!
Well done, Dino! We learned so many colors today.
Uh-huh.
Yellow. Red. Green. Blue. Pink. Orange. Purple.
Huh?
See you soon, my friends. Hi, Dino. Hi, Mark. How are you?
Huh?
Dino, would you like to make a cake and learn the 7 colors of the rainbow with us?
Woohoo!
Let's go! Blue.
Uh-huh. Hmm. Huh? Oh.
Red.
Oh.
Yellow.
Woohoo! Huh?
Green.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Indigo.
Woohoo! Huh? Huh? Uh-huh.
Orange.
Uh-huh.
Violet.
Aw.
Well done, Dino! You made a rainbow cake. We learned all 7 colors of the rainbow today. Would you like to sum up?
Woohoo!
Blue. Red. Yellow. Green. Indigo. Orange. Violet.
Oh.
See you soon, my friends! Hi, Dino. Hi, Lucas. how are you?
Uh-huh.
Dino, would you like to learn shapes with us?
Oh.
Great, let's go! The first shape is to find a circle.
Woohoo.
Dino, could you help us find a circle?
Huh?
Great, Dino! You found a circle!
Uh-huh.
Well done, Dino!
Uh-huh.
Let's move on to the next shape. Dino, we have to find a square. Shall we start?
Oh.
Here it is! You found a square! Well done, Dino!
Uh-huh.
Well done, Dino! Now, let's find a triangle.
Uh-huh.
Right, Dino?
Oh. Uh-huh.
Well done, Dino! Here is the triangle.
Huh?
And now, Dino, we are going to look for a rectangle.
Oh.
That's right, Dino! You found a rectangle. Well done!
Uh-huh.
Brilliant, Dino! Now, Dino, let's find a star. Let's go. That's it! You found a star. Well done, Dino!
Uh-huh.
Dino, now we have to find a diamond.
Huh?
Are you ready?
Oh.
Great, Dino! You found a diamond.
Oh.
Well done, Dino! Dino, we learned so many shapes today.
Uh-huh.
Would you like to sum up? Let's go. Circle. Square. Triangle. Rectangle. Star. Diamond. See you soon, my friends.
Oh.
Subscribe. Hello, Dino. Do you want to learn the shapes with us today?
Uh-huh.
Great! Let's get started. Round.
Uh-huh.
Square.
Huh.
Rectangle.
Aw.
Diamond.
Huh?
Oval.
Uh-huh.
Triangle.
Oh.
Star.
Uh-huh.
Round. Square. Rectangle. Diamond. Oval. Triangle. Star. See you next time for new adventures.
Uh-huh.